Welcome to our channel, where we will explore together the incredible power of prayer and how it can transform our lives. Stay with us and prepare for a journey of inspiring spiritual discovery. Before starting the prayer, I want to leave a message. Imagine waking up every morning with a sense of inner peace that transcends any challenge life throws at you. Visualize yourself handling difficulties in a way you never imagined possible, with strengthened confidence and a heart full of hope. This is the power you will find in the pages of the eBook, The 12 Most Powerful Novenas. Every page of this eBook is a promise of spiritual transformation. You will be guided by inspiring stories of faith and miracles. And you will learn to recite deeply meaningful prayers that have been passed down from generation to generation. The result? A direct connection with the divine and an inexhaustible source of spiritual strength. Don't let the opportunity pass you by. By now, the 12 Most Powerful Novenas. And begin your journey to a richer, more meaningful spiritual life. Click on the link in the description and purchase your ebook. Subscribe now and leave your like on the channel so you don't miss these and other prayers. Our Lady of Guadalupe appeared in Mexico in 1531 to an Indian named Juan Diego. She wanted a shrine to be built at that location, so asked the indigenous man to collect some roses from Castile in his cloak and take it to Archbishop Juan de Zumarraga as proof of the apparitions. Let us say a prayer to Our Lady of Guadalupe. Perfect, always Virgin Holy Mary, Mother of the true God, by whom we live. You, who, in truth, are our compassionate Mother. We seek you and we cry out to you. Listen with pity to our tears, our sadness. Heal our sorrows, our miseries and pains. You, who are our sweet and loving Mother. Welcome us in the comfort of your mantle. In the affection of your arms. Let nothing distress us or disturb our hearts. Show us and manifest to us your beloved Son, so that in him and with him we may find our salvation and the salvation of the world. Most Holy Virgin Mary of Guadalupe, make us your messengers, messengers of the Word and will of God. Amen. Did you like the video and the prayer? So remember to leave a like, subscribe and activate the bell.